I don't know. I made this this is you can find this in the website. This name, this is that one. The first one, lace M1. Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the R variant, Marida lang to, for blood manifestation. That is number 2. And number 3, number R variant. No, that is R variant. This is counter. Wait a minute. Counter niya siya. This is a second variant. Mm, that is the second variant. Next one, the Awaken. This number one. Number one. That is number one. Number two. And number three. This is easy. His power is gone now. He can never N1 and he can never dodge and you can never sprint. You can never hit him. He's permanent stuck. We wait and that's it. Malas yung Awaken. This is goodbye. Love you guys. Like and subscribe.